Finally figured out the solution to a problem. When I imported this footage on another computer, everything looked fine. But then when I opened the project on this computer, everything looks like there's an extra LUT on it. So here's the solution. I'm going to use this clip as an example. I'm going to right click, reveal in project. Now here in my project window, I'm going to go to modify, interpret footage. Here in color management, I see that there's an embedded Amira LUT. I don't want that. For some reason on this computer, it's using that embedded LUT, and on the other computer, it's not. So I'm going to take it off. Okay, and now it looks fine. That is the solution to this problem I've had over the past week.